Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to set an automatic keyguard on a Nokia 105. I'll show you how to do it with a passcode and where you unlock it with just the buttons. So let's first head into the menu by pressing the middle button and pressing it again. Now in the menu, let's go into the settings. Now in the settings, let's go to phone settings. Let's go into that. And as you can see here, the second option is keyguard settings. Let's go into that. Now you have two options here, automatic keyguard and keyguard code. They're both currently set to off. Now if you set a keyguard code, it will need to be unlocked with this code. But let's show you how it is without it. So let's select automatic keyguard. Let's turn it on. Now you press the minutes here in the first column. And the seconds in the second, if you press 0, it will automatically default to 10 seconds like that. So let's press OK on the seconds, 10 seconds. Let's come out. Now after 10 seconds, this phone will go into keyguard lock. It'll go dull and then go black. So there it is, dull. It's now locked, but let's let it go completely off. Now when you press any buttons, look, nothing happens. But if you press the middle button, still nothing happens. To unlock it, you need to press the call end button and this hotkey here to unlock. Now it's unlocked. So we go back to the menu, go to the settings, down to the phone settings, down to the keyguard settings, and now let's turn on keyguard code. So let's just keep it simple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. OK. Keyguard on. Now it'll go off after 5 seconds and then completely off after 10. So let's watch that do that again. But this time we will not be able to open it with just the keys. We will need to enter that passcode we've just entered. So let's just done it again. See, press any buttons, doesn't work. So you need to press the call end key and the unlock button, but this time we need to enter the security code. So we know that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and OK. So that's how to set an automatic keyguard either with a password or without. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.